In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Vimeo online video editor in 2025, a tutorial tailored for beginners. If you're new to video editing or just exploring Vimeo for the first time, you're in the right place. We'll go through each step together, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding by the end. First, to get started with Vimeo, you'll want to navigate to vimeo.com and either sign up or log in with your existing account. This step sets you up with the basic access needed to begin your video editing journey on the platform. Once you're logged in, it's time to access the video editor. Look for the Create button, usually located at the top of the screen, and select Video Editor. This will open up the editing workspace where all the magic happens. Now let's talk about uploading your clips. Click on the Upload button prominently featured on the screen to select the video files you wish to edit. This functionality allows you to bring in the raw footage that you will shape into your final project. Next, drag your video clips from the library into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is a visual representation of your video project where you can arrange the clips in the order you want them to appear. After organizing your clips, you might want to trim them down. Click on a clip within the timeline to reveal options for trimming or splitting. By adjusting the length of each clip, you can make sure your video flows seamlessly from one scene to the next. Adding transitions between clips can enhance your video's flow. Click on the Transitions tab, choose a style such as a fade or dissolve, and drag it between two clips. Just a heads up, these transitions aren't available if you're on Vimeo's free plan, so it's something to consider if you're thinking about upgrading. Incorporating text is another powerful tool at your disposal. By clicking on the text button, you can select a style that best matches your video's theme and add it wherever it seems fit. Music and voiceovers can bring your video to life, providing emotional cues and an engaging experience for your viewers. By clicking music, you can add background tracks or record a voiceover, providing a personalized narration or commentary. Furthermore, you can apply filters to enhance the look of your video. Access the filters section, select one you like, and apply it to your entire video or specific clips. Again, keep in mind that advanced features like these may not be available on the free plan. Finally, once you're satisfied with the edits, it's time to publish and share your masterpiece. After exporting, you can choose to publish it directly on Vimeo or share it with your audience on social media platforms, extending your video's reach. And there you have it, you've now walked through using the Vimeo online video editor, ready to create and share your own incredible videos. Happy editing!